Cute ba siya?
Mas cute naman yung akin. Gaya-gaya kayo eh.
Hindi kasi,
Hindi ng gigil.
gigil kasi ng heel sa last na gigil pinili.
Alright, so let's invite them to post their photos. It's hashtag!
See you there, guys! Kung gusto nyo, please gumawa na ng sariling Coke bottle. So personalize it the way you want it. And enjoy Coke at the Taste of It. I love you! Gusto nyo ba i-try?
Pero I think my last question for you guys. Ito yung pinaka-aabangan ng inyong mga fans. So, sino naman yung lover? Sino naman yung favorite ninyo? Or who would be the person you most want to share your Coke and Morgan bottle with? Guys, Coke and... At syempre, Ken, same question.
Alam nyo na yun. Alam nyo na yun.
Ang saya naman ng sabay-akbay.